This is Thomas and Friends Thomas Ride On. Face lights up when you press the button there, as you see.
Here's Thomas himself.
All aboard!
All aboard! This is very nice. What other buttons does he have?
Hello, I'm Thomas. There's a lot of work to do today. It's more fun to ride the rails with a friend.
You like your new ride? Do you like your new toy?
Yes.
The Ride On. Wait for mommy to open it. Yes, look at that. What kind of features does it have, Mason? Oh, there it is. Slide or press to hear Thomas play music or make sounds. Thomas's face lights up as he plays music. Oh, there it is. Very nice. And it has different controls. Wow, different
All
buttons.
aboard!
Nice. Do you like Thomas the Train, Mason? Say yes. Say yes.
Bye.
Look at this.
It's more fun to ride the rails with a friend.
Wow.
Thanks for helping me. It's more fun to work with a friend. Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm the #1 blue engine. Come on, let's
Let's see. Let's get this open. Wow, looks in the box. So it comes with this to support his back while he's sitting down on the Thomas, the train. Take it out, Mason. Go ahead and take it out. Can you take it out? Okay, let's see. How do we,
all aboard.
There we go. Okay, pull him out. There we go. You ready? There we go. Over here. Over here. Okay, this will support your back. Okay. This will support your back. Hold on. Oh, look. It has a compartment. Nice. It has an instruction manual for you. Okay, close it. Close the compartment. Go ahead and close it. There you go. Okay. Wow, look at this. You have James and you have Thomas. How do you like your ride so far?
All aboard! Hello, I'm Thomas. I'm the number one blue engine.
Come here, dito lang.